I don't know if you experience this. You go to Starbucks, Will, every so often.
Yep.
I see this report, Starbucks rolling out strawless sippy style lids for iced beverages this week. I'm like, what are you talking about? I've been doing this now for, like, how long has our local Starbucks been doing the sippy cup?
For a very long time.
6 months?
Yeah.
Maybe more.
Maybe more, yeah.
Maybe a year. They don't give you straws anymore. Unless you get the drink that Vin got the other day.
Yeah.
What was that drink, Vin? Was that a Frappuccino or
It was chocolate.
a mocha Frappuccino Vin brought the other day, which was enormous. It was enormous. It was a venti.
He was having a time.
It was the entire size of his body. And it had a whipped cream and the chocolate going on and everything. And he just said, you know what?
Today's my day.
Yeah, he said, you know what? I deserve it today. He said, I put up with a lot of stuff. I made it through. I'm today's my lucky day.
Yeah.
That's what he said when he came in. I said, geez, man. I don't know when that's going to happen for me. Maybe one day. Triple mocha Frappuccino. Anyway, you still get a straw with something like that. You kind of need it because it's a frappy thing. It's thick. It's ice. It's actually blended ice. However, on every other drink that we get over here, they changed to the sippy cup lid. As long as it's not blended. Well, apparently they're going to roll that out everywhere now. And some people are going to be mad. You know why they're going to be mad? Because that lid will shock you. Did you ever get shocked?
No.
Kirk, did you ever get shocked from the lid? Every time.
Really?
The sippy cup. Maybe it's if you have a beard or something. Does Kirk have a beard? No. I don't know, man. The sippy cup lid will give you a little tiny jolt as soon as you first lift it. I have no idea what's going on with the static. But anyways, the point being here is they're trying to save the environment, just like everybody these days. They're trying to save the environment. This thing is, you can recycle it. The straw, on the other hand, you can't recycle. It's more plastic and everything else. This one's recyclable. I actually don't mind the lid besides the initial shock. Otherwise, I like it. I maybe even prefer it to a straw, to be honest.
I prefer the name. They really call it Sippy Cup.
I don't know if that's the official. I don't know if it's the official name. They say they're going to save 1 billion straws annually. The rollout is expected to be complete at the end of September. So if you're in one of these places, you didn't get the sippy cup yet, expect the straw to go bye-bye unless you're like Vin and you drink the, what was it? Mocha Frappuccino, whipped cream, frappe. Unless you're on that, then you would still get the straw. Otherwise, bye-bye to straws at various Starbucks locations. By the way, what's your drink? If you go to Starbucks, what are you going to get?
Ice Americano.
Iced Americano.
Grande.
Wow.
Yeah.
Is there any milk or just straight up?
Just straight up.
Straight up
I think
ice.
Kirk got me into it.
Iced Americano.
Yeah.
No sugar, nothing.
Nope.
Lovely.
Black.
I could drink that right now. I could have one of those right now.
Yeah.
Or an iced coffee or, right now it's the pumpkin stuff.
The pumpkin spice is everywhere.
It's a pumpkin time of year right now, so that's another one. I got a new one.
Nitro.
I got the new one, which was an iced pumpkin, because in the past it was only the warm pumpkin.
Yeah.
And I like the cold drinks, so I had an iced pumpkin.
Okay.
I don't know if that's not the official name, but maybe today is a little cooler out. Maybe I'll get the warm one. I don't know. Or maybe I just get to,
Get the chocolate frappe.
No, I can't be. That's crazy. Chocolate frappe. Vin's unbelievable. He sat right over there, sipping it right in front of us. Yeah. Enjoying himself.
Relaxing.
We're slaving away over here.
He deserves it.
You think he deserves it?
Yes.
Wow.
I do.
Vin, you got Willie Doo's vote over here.
Yeah.
Good, he says.